Transverse waves is a movement of particles at right angles or perpendicular to the motion of the energy. Movement of waves through a solid object like a stretched rope or trampoline is an example of this type of wave. In the video shown, the slinky is stretched out in a horizontal direction across the room, and a pulse is introduced into the slinky on the left end by vibrating the first coil. Energy begins to be transported through the slinky from left to right, and as the energy is transported, the particles of the media move perpendicular to the direction of the pulse moves. Longitudinal waves are when the movement of particles are parallel to the motion of energy. The slinky is stretched out in a horizontal direction across the room, and a pulse is introduced into the slinky. On the left end, by vibrating the first coil back and forth, energy is transported through the slinky, and as the energy is transported from the slinky, the individual coils of the medium are displaced back and forth. In this case, the particles move parallel to the direction that the pulse moves.
Wave interference is the phenomenon that occurs when two waves meet while traveling along the same medium. The interference of waves causes the medium to take on a shape that results from the net effect of the two individual waves upon the particles of the medium. There are two types of interference: constructive and destructive. Constructive interference occurs when the wave amplitude reinforce each other, building a wave of an even greater amplitude. Destructive interference occurs when the wave amplitudes oppose each other, resulting in the waves of a reduced amplitude. Reflection is the change in direction of a wavefront at the interference between two different mediums, so that the wavefront returns into the medium from which it originated. Common examples include the reflection of light, sound, and water waves. Reflection occurs when waves bounce back from a surface that they cannot pass through.